Hello everyone, and let's talk about the financial dangers of ignoring work from home requests for disabilities reasons, for the ADA Act, Americans with Disabilities Act. There was a recent court case, the Billesdon versus Fargo court case, where a jury awarded over $22 million against Wells Fargo for violations of the Americans with Disabilities Act around remote work denial. So employee with disabilities was laid off after a work from home request without appropriate interactive process, without a back and forth, and jury cited a failure to engage in ADA required interactive process in awarding him with over $22 million. That's for both punitive and emotional distress, as well as the denial itself. And I have to tell you, I've served as an expert witness on these remote work denial cases pretty often, and I've seen that jury trials in particular often result in substantial awards for flexible work denial requests because juries tend to be sympathetic to employees who are denied work from home accommodations. That highlights the legal risk for not approaching work from home requests with appropriate gravity around the ADA process. Now, the ADA, Americans with Disabilities Act, requires appropriate accommodations for employees with disabilities, and that includes physical and mental health issues. So missteps in ADA compliance can cause serious legal risks. And the EEOC, Equal Employment Opportunity Commission, highlighted that work from home is appropriate to address both mental and physical health challenges, and it sued employers who denied work from home requests for both physical and mental health reasons. And the interactive process, again, is key here. These employers did not engage in an interactive process appropriately with their employees before denying them the accommodation to work from home and firing them usually. So, the missteps that employers take in ignoring work from home requests that lead to ADA violations include denying work from home requests inappropriately, prioritizing physical presence over employee well-being, and misunderstanding the scope of ADA, especially for mental health. So, if you want to be successful with and protect yourself from these legal risks, engage proactively in an interactive accommodation process with any employee who asks for a work from home requests for ADA reasons, for physical or mental health reasons. Train managers in ADA and mental health as well as physical health inclusivity. That includes how to make sure to provide protection for confidentiality for anyone who requests ADA accommodations, including for remote work, including for mental as well as physical health. I tend to see more violations for mental health because managers aren't aware of this, and this is a very sensitive issue. Document every step of the decision-making process and foster a culture of flexibility to mitigate risks and build trust. I hope you've enjoyed this episode of the Wise Decision Maker Show. Please make sure to subscribe wherever you checked out the show and leave a review. It helps others discover the show and helps us improve the show. And if you have any questions, email me at Gleb, Gleb, @disasteravoidanceexperts.com.